What are you thinking about the lawnmower? Any thoughts? What do you think about it, Churchill? It's loud, right? It's loud. Mapes? Hey, girly. Hi, honey. Oh, shake a paw. Good girl. What do you think about the lawnmower? You're not bothered. You're a bit bothered? Are you bothered, Mapes? Well, thanks, buddy. Thanks for the kisses. Thanks for the kisses. Mapes? I know you don't like the cone. I know you don't like it. That's how life is, okay? You gotta relax. You gotta relax. You don't need to eat my elbow. Okay. Another day, another chronicle.